Hello, fellow entrepreneurs, and welcome to a deep dive into the unstoppable success of Grant Cardone. Today, we'll unveil the strategies that have propelled him to the top of the online business world. So, let's get started. Grant Cardone, a name synonymous with success and achievement in the world of online business. In this video, we're going to uncover the secrets of how he completely outperforms his competition with the power of the 10x strategy. The foundation of Cardone's success lies in his 10x philosophy. This mindset is about setting goals that are 10 times larger than what you originally envisioned. It's not about thinking small, it's about dreaming big and taking massive action to turn those dreams into reality. To emulate Grant Cardone's success, start by setting audacious goals. These should be bigger and bolder than you've ever imagined. When your goals are 10x, your actions and efforts will naturally be more significant, pushing you to achieve the extraordinary. Cardone is a firm believer in persistence. In the competitive world of online business, it's essential to stay the course even when faced with obstacles. It's this unwavering determination that sets Cardone apart, and it can set you apart too. Your online presence is your digital storefront. Grant Cardone has mastered the art of personal branding and utilizing the digital space to reach his audience. Learn from his strategies to build a robust online presence for your business. Throughout this video, we'll share inspiring success stories from entrepreneurs who've adopted the 10x strategy and witnessed transformative results. These real-life examples will motivate you to put these principles into action. In conclusion, Grant Cardone's 10x strategy is a game-changer in the world of online business. By understanding and applying his principles, you too can outperform the competition and achieve your most ambitious goals. So, are you ready to take your online business to the next level? Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video valuable, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more business insights. And remember, don't just dream it, 10x it.